Ever wondered how the stock market works? Or perhaps you've been intrigued by the idea of buying and selling shares but don't know where to start? Well, fear no more. Today, we unravel the mystery behind this financial behemoth and break down the basics of the stock market in a simple step-by-step manner. Imagine a bustling marketplace, only instead of fruits and vegetables, people are buying and selling pieces of companies. That's the stock market for you. It's a place where investors connect to buy and sell investments, most commonly, stocks. Stocks are shares in the ownership of a company and represent a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. The first step to understanding the stock market is to grasp the concept of a stock. When a company wants to raise money, it issues stocks to the public. This is done through an initial public offering, or IPO. Buying a company's stock means you're buying a piece of that company, making you a shareholder. Next, to buy or sell stocks, you need a marketplace. That's where stock exchanges come in. Think of exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ as the arenas where buyers and sellers meet to trade stocks. Now, the price of a stock is determined by supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. If more people want to sell a stock than buy it, the price goes down. To make informed decisions, investors analyze two primary types of information: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis involves examining a company's financials, industry position, and market conditions to estimate its intrinsic value. Meanwhile, technical analysis assumes that a security's price already reflects all publicly available information and instead focuses on the statistical analysis of price movements. Investing in the stock market is not without risks. Prices can fluctuate dramatically in a short period, and investors can potentially lose their entire investment. However, with careful planning, research, and risk management, the stock market can also offer significant returns. To sum up, the stock market is a platform for the buying and selling of company stocks. It operates through exchanges and uses supply and demand to determine stock prices. Investors analyze company and market data to make informed decisions, aware of the potential risks and rewards. So, whether you're considering dipping your toes in the world of investing or simply wanted to understand what all the fuss is about, understanding the basics of the stock market is your first step towards financial literacy. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to navigating the often turbulent waters of the stock market.